So hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video. And now, as you guys know, a few days back I made the video about Bhailang. Okay, that is currently the most watched video of mine. I don't know how. Like it got too much popularity. But have you noticed the link of the Bhailang's website, official website? That is bhailang.js.org. Now you may have seen the same domain like .js.org in many of the scenarios, and you may wonder, uh, who is providing these domains to all of those creators, right? Because obviously every package have a different creator. Not .js.org organization is making it or something like that. So where do they get that website from, like the link from, not link, the domain from? Okay, so today I have found out actually the way to get a .js.org domain for your project as well. If you obviously, if you are doing something like a project or a package or something like something related to JS at all, you can get it actually. Okay, so let me share with you uh, what is the process, how to get it, and all. Okay, so let's just get started. So here we are at js.org. Yeah, js. As simple as this, js.org. And as you can see over here, they have this question like, are you a JavaScript developer looking for a free web space to host your project? Check out GitHub pages. To make things perfect, we provide you with a free and sleek URL just like this, like https any subdomain .js.org. Now, to get this kind of domain, you have four steps, okay? And those four steps are here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can read all of those. Like I will give you an overview. First of all, you obviously you have to like host those into GitHub pages. How to host them, instruction and here, okay. And then you can simply generate with one of the provider themes and all. Yeah, theme provider can be selected from the GitHub pages, no problem. Then now you should determine the .js.org domain that you want, okay. Either choose your own username or the repo name or the project name or whatever you wanna like, okay. You have to choose that, like as you can see it over here. Then add the cname to your repo, okay. Now what is cname? If you have handled domains before, you would know what is cname. So basically, for redirecting one domain into another another address or another address specifically, we need cname, okay. So then you have to obviously configure your cname, and then that's it. Actually, to finish the procedure, make a pull request on your GitHub repository. That's it. Now it may take 24 hours as they are stating over here. So that's the thing. And as the owner of the repository, you keep complete control over your published content, but that also means that all the rights and duties that come along with publishing a website remain your responsibility. So basically, they are giving you the .js.org domain name, and if you don't believe me, look, check it out yourself. So that was Vailang, right? See, wait. Vailang.js. See, Vailang.js.org. Likewise, many of the people are there who are currently using this .js.org domain for their maybe self-hosted npm packages. Okay, not self-hosted. Maybe for their npm packages, maybe for their component libraries or anything that can be. Okay, so this is how you get this domain name. I think it would be helpful for a lot of people who want to like create a specifically dedicated JS project, because yeah, it gives you the domain name for free. You don't have to pay them anything. And for the GitHub pages as well, GitHub pages are also free. You don't have to pay for it. If you are like, obviously if you are in a public repository, you don't have to pay for GitHub pages, or you will be able to host that into your GitHub pages. So that's kind of a great thing, right? So yeah, that's about it about this video, about this process. Let me know if you are going to use it or not. Okay. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know some of the cool tricks like this or tips like this, that will help many of the people to host their website, maybe in some kind of way for free, or like not in a cheap or unauthentic way. Okay, but yeah, something really reputed or valuable like this. Please share me all of those ideas in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos, or I can share the process with more people in my upcoming videos as well. So yeah, that's it from for this day. Yeah, for this day from this side. Bye.